And my father, although he was strong, was more of a he prided himself on his looks and his appearance, and the book where his older brother was a fighter, a street fighter. Uh, I guess this all stemmed from where they came from, uh, working in the stockyards and working in that area. They developed a mindset that the only way to get through is to fight your way through. Whereas my father was more of a dandy. He wasn't. He was a lover, not a fighter. My father gets a call from his estranged brother and said, "I can get you a job. There's a delicatessen. They want to have a butcher shop in the back part of the delicatessen." My father says, "I don't know how to cut meat." He says, "I'll teach you." And he taught my grandfather how to. He taught my father how to cut meat, and my father became a kosher butcher. He opened up a little store, and worked at the store for years and years and years and years. Hated every minute of it, but he ran his butcher shop like a floral shop. You walked inside that butcher shop, there was not sawdust and stuff on the floor. The floors everything was immaculate, and ferns and flowers and so on, because this was his way of combating the feeling that he didn't want to. He had 3 kinds of wax papers and so on. I mean, everything was pristine, even in a butcher shop, because that's the way it was with him.